When a commercial project requires a clean, paint-ready interior door, primed hardboard wood doors are one of the most common solutions used across offices, schools, healthcare facilities, hospitality spaces, and other commercial environments. These doors are designed around three main requirements: durability, flexibility, and the ability to meet the needs of different applications. They come factory primed and ready for paint, allowing the finished appearance to match the design of the space while still providing the performance expected from a commercial opening.
One of the biggest advantages of primed hardboard doors is the flexibility it provides after installation. Because the door arrives with a factory applied primer, it provides a consistent surface that's ready to be painted after the project's finished. That makes these doors a popular choice for commercial spaces where appearance and performance both matter, including offices, classrooms, doctor's offices, corridors, and hospitality environments. Construction is another important consideration. Primed hardboard doors are available with different core options based on the performance requirements of the opening. Particle core is commonly used when a fire rating is not needed. Mineral core is used for fire-rated openings, including 45, 60, and 90-minute applications. The right core should always be selected based on the performance requirements of the opening, not the appearance of the door.
These doors are also available in the standard commercial sizes used throughout the industry. Common sizes include 3068, 3070, and 3080, with a 3-foot width being one of the most commonly specified options. Understanding those standard dimensions is important because commercial doors are built around nominal sizing. The door slab itself is manufactured slightly smaller than the nominal size to allow the frame, hardware, and proper operation once installed.
Another benefit of the primed hardboard doors is the ability to configure the opening for the needs of the space. Factory installed light kits add visibility and natural light, while louver options improve the airflow in applications like mechanical rooms and utility spaces. The application determines the right door configuration. A classroom, office, healthcare facility, and hospitality space may all use a wood door, but each opening has a different requirement. Factors like fire ratings, visibility, ventilation, hardware, and final finish all play a role.
At CDF, we help contractors configure complete commercial openings, not just individual door components. With options for door, frame, hardware, fire ratings, light kits, and louvers, ProBuilder helps you review the complete assembly before placing an order.